Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Nadia Hairul Rahmat. I'm study at SMPN Bandung Tulungagung in Java. I'm in class 9C. Here, I would like to show you how to make wedang secang. Wedang secang is one of Indonesia's traditional drink. It is very popular in my area Bandung Tulungagung in Java.
And the materials needed are sapanwood, ginger, sugar, kapulaga, cinnamon, and lemongrass.
First, put water, secang wood, lemongrass, kapulaga, ginger, cinnamon. Overload heat until fragrant. After that, leave and strain, add the rock sugar or granulate sugar. Ready to serve. Serve while warm. It's sweet and warm. Thank you for your attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.